it's an antenna. This is the antenna. I was like, nah, no way. It's literally like the size of a notebook. Like, that is the antenna. Like, scribble scrabble. What is up, guys? It's just Sean McKin, and I am back for another video. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a paper antenna. This is the Mohu Leaf 50. The Mohu Leaf 50, and it's a paper antenna. So I got it along with the TU800 series from Samsung, and pretty much the Best Buy guy upselled me. If you want to get like the short story short, he upselled me and told me to check out this, and I was like, okay, like why not? I'm gonna check it out. So yeah, this is the Mohu Leaf 50. It is the indoor amplified antenna, and as you can see, it is paper. No more stick figure antennas. Again, I thought he was gonna show me a stick figure antenna. That is not the case with this antenna right here. I'm pretty surprised by it. So, and we walk through some of the specs. You get 4K Ultra HD ready. You get 1080, you know, just HD. So pretty much high quality streaming of things to watch, and I can't really display it and read it at the same time. You get 94 of the top 100 shows. You get paper thin, again, reversible and paintable. Apparently you can paint it. So I guess like if you put it somewhere and you want it to blend in, yeah, it's possible. And then this is like the jack that plugs in, of course, I think like to the wall or whatnot. My TV's on the other side of the wall. There's nowhere I can get cable on the side. Enhances picture quality. I think that's for enhancing picture quality. But it should be able to connect without doing that because it's an antenna. But yeah, get free HDTV. So we got like some of the top things down here. We got CBS, ABC, Fox. We got MeTV. What else is recognizable on here? I can't really read it backwards on the camera. The CW, PBS. We got all the pretty, you know, dope channels. So on the back, it pretty much just has stuff just listing that clean signal filtration, advanced military technology. Apparently that's basically like a military truck. Multi-directional, so you can put it in any direction. It's gonna get a great signal. And then you're going to get a detachable cable. So if you want to show, I don't even know what the purpose of that is. Obviously the greatest. So the detachable cable. So the detachable cable offers the greatest flexibility. Unlike others, our coaxial cable can be swapped for different lengths. So I guess like that's what it means, it's swappable for different lengths. But there's nothing else really on the back besides, yeah, it's up to a 60-mile range that this will work, in that this is 9 by 11.5 feet, inches, length and width. And then it's about 0.4 inches in the actual thickness of the antenna. So has some more cool graphics down there, you know, indoor amplified, attic, outdoor. It's just kind of telling you it could work anywhere. So I am just gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little story time while I do this. So yeah, the Best Buy guy sold me this. He was like, you're getting this TV, why not get this antenna too? So you can get all the, you know, channels and everything. Cause I said I want, you know, local channels possibly. And he was like, oh, get this TV. But I don't think he was that knowledgeable, or he was knowledgeable and he was trying to upsell me, because the Tizen TV, you can get a lot of local channels on there. So I really didn't need this, but I already bought it and it's too late to return it, so I'm gonna box it. So this is the Mohu Leaf 50, and he literally took this out in the store in front of me. It was like, it's an antenna. This is the antenna. I was like, nah, no way. It's literally like the size of a notebook. Like, that is the antenna. Like, scribble scrabble, you know? It is the size of a notebook. Like, you could just, it's so weird. This is a literal antenna. It is crazy, and that's like the little cable right there, that coaxial cable that can go on. So that is literally it. You pin it on the wall. I'm not sure how this works, because like if it screws in this way, I'm pretty sure it's like an extender or something, because it can't, if this is the TV, can't, it's just, yeah, it's not enough space. You want it to be flat, so it's probably something that comes out with it. But that's the literal antenna right there. You could paint it. So you could be all black, it could be red, you could put hearts, everything on it. You could write antenna on it, like whatever you want to do. This is it, man. It's like, the Sunday service fan right here. Man, I'm feeling good. I'm not trying to break the antenna. This is just so cool. Like, this is the antenna. This is the future of antennas right here. It's wild. I'm just gonna set the antenna right there, and we're gonna go see what else is in this box. And yeah, of course, we got the cable. I'm pretty sure that's just supposed to connect and make this connection just a more flexible way. So you could have it flat, you could have it, I think, pretty much to the back of your TV, however you want to put it. It can go there. What else came into the box? I'm not sure what that is. Hopefully instructions come, but we're gonna get to this in a second. And this fell. I think these are like, these are literally like little, micro Velcro little stickers, and there's push pins. So I guess like, it's literally that simple. You're supposed to just push through these holes, like, and push pin into the wall. So I think that's what you're supposed to do. So, and I see something. I see like one more. There we go. I'm like, I see something. And that's the most important part. I guess like this powers the antenna. So this is the power for the antenna. If I'm not, man, it's been so long since I used an antenna, man. Like I thought antennas were just powered by the TV. I didn't think they need to be plugged in. But I guess this is a different type of antenna. So obviously, yeah, it does need to be plugged in. I didn't know antennas were still being used, to be totally honest. I was shocked. Well, I knew it was being used. So that's kind of a cap. That's cap right there. But I was expecting, again, the sticks, the YMCA. I was expecting, the YMCA antenna. But now we got the church fan antenna out here. We got the setup guide. Pretty simple. I mean, this is pretty simple packaging. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things came in the item. Oh, okay. It says stop. Do not return to the store. This is a very extensive manual for 6 items. Like, God, wait, I was not expecting this. Oh, it flips. Oh, shit. This is a very extensive manual. It better have customization in here. Oh, man. Oh, you should probably really read this. It's so much. Oh, gosh. It's so much on here. Where do you start? I feel like I'm holding up like a map. So you could just have your non-amplified antenna, which is just this, or you could have the amplified antenna, which is this, and I guess it picks up like even more channels and it goes a further range. Oh no, this just amplifies the picture quality. So you're gonna get the same channels. This just amplifies the picture quality. So I'm gonna get that because I do very much care about the picture quality. So the paper can do it alone. I don't know if that's a different type of antenna, so I'm gonna just show this on the screen. Like, this piece does not look familiar. That one right there. Yeah, and I didn't see that when I unboxed. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. But we're gonna build the amplified antenna. So we got the antenna, we got the coaxial cable, we got the brick. It looks nothing like, it's like a phone charger. It don't look anything like the one in here. This one looks like a iPhone little plug. It's not the case. First, we're gonna take this out. Camden style. Yeah. Alright. And twisties, man. Twisties be hard to untwist sometimes, man. You be going one way and it's like I was going the wrong way. And then you're midway and it's like, I don't know, I'm going the wrong way. And I'm like midway twisting. Maybe it's just me. Long cable. I might use the twisties to shorten this a little bit. A little piece right here. So I'm gonna twist that on. This goes into the antenna. Twist this onto the antenna. So if you just wanted the low amplifier, you would just use without this. Oh shoot, it says 2TV. So the cable, the USB cable, goes to the power brick. I think this is where it gets power from, the USB. The amplifier needs power, so that's why. Too many cables, man. Alright, so that is connected. I'm confused, man. Hold up. Okay, I'm not confusing. Okay. I'm not confused anymore. It was confusing for a second. So, this goes to this, the antenna right here. I'm glad they put that because, man, I can see a lot of people, trying to figure out why the antenna don't work. So that was good engineering there. There we go. It's connected. We got the power. And then all that is last is the end of the amplifier goes to the TV. So this is the actual part that goes to the TV. It's important to get an amplifier. Again, this part goes into the TV, not the other side. Goes into the antenna, because I'm pretty sure you might mess something up that way. Oh, that's the antenna. Nice paper, man. Some of you don't rip it. How rippable is this? I'm not gonna do that. It was like $30. Yeah, that's it. And I think that's it. That's the setup. Like, pretty easy setup. All right, so I clicked auto program and it got me here. So I'm going to go ahead and scan channels for both air and cable. So air is going to actually use the antenna that we just got. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and scan this DTV air. $163 Samsung TV channels, and I believe our antenna was able to pick up 75 additional channels. So that is dope. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure this is a local channel. I've never seen this before. So switching over to the regular TV. So once I hit the thousands, it hits back to the Samsung Smart TV channels. And from here, I can actually, if I go forward, go press down and get the whole Smart TV menu where I can see the guide. I couldn't see that before with, I guess, with the antenna I'm currently using. I go to guide. I can see that, yeah, these are my Samsung Smart TV channels right here. And that these channels over here are all my local channels. So yeah, this piece of paper, it did the job. It was actually pulling in 70 additional channels on my smart TV. So pretty impressed behind the technology that does this. It's ridiculously thin. Like, it's literally like a sheet of paper. You can paint it, do whatever you want to do with this. And I guess you want to know it's an antenna. How rippable is it? I'm not gonna really try, but you have to really try to rip this. I don't know, like, it's not bad. It was about $30. Again, this is the first antenna I ever bought for myself. Is it worth it? I don't know. If you're in a situation you need an antenna, want a high-tech antenna instead of one like, oh, I gotta do this to get the channel, like, can you go ahead and get this? Use the amplifier, just trust that it's gonna get the best channels for you. It's pulling in everything. Just fine and handy for me. But yeah, this is the Mohu Leaf 50 right here. Got the box again, the actual product right here. The guy just pulled it out the store like, yo, antenna. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this is a pretty unique unboxing. Yeah, I'm actually, yeah, it's a pretty cool antenna. I'm glad I tried it out. And yeah, probably will continue to test it out with some local channels to see again how well the picture quality does come in. But that is to say, thank you guys for tuning into the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, the channel's still growing. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. And on that note, I'm JustJonMckin, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.